8428 Sewards Bluff. We're getting closer to the end of the rehab, so I wanted to go over some items. We have painted this wood trim. Don't expect an HOA violation now that it's painted. There, the doors have been rekeyed, but I'll walk over. So as you can see, of course, there's granite. Now the new sink has been installed. This has been rekeyed as well. Sorry. That light is working. That was item 2. Of course, the tile and hardy backer have been done. Paint the cabinets, laundry, kitchen. Oh, sorry. And we also have the cabinet pulls, as you can see. Don't have the dishwasher or the fridge yet. So you can see the blinds and the fan arches. That light was replaced. The tint has been removed from this window. Beautiful ceiling fan. Oh. Okay. I'll regrout as needed, so let's take a look at that. I'll ask John about the regrouting. The window screens were removed. Let's check for the fireplace key. There is a fireplace key. We have a security bar. Doesn't appear to be a reverse osmosis system. Okay. There was a shower bar. Let me check the towel bar. Sorry. Okay, there's our towel bar. and the anti-siphon valve is just there. You can see it's newly insulated. And since we're out here, you can see the screens were removed. Okay, that's it for today.